Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. I hope you are fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness. And you have a lot of fun in your life. And this is me Asya, and today I'll show you in this video and latest collection. Bob haircut in short hair. Full hair dye. And stylish hairstyling. And so beautiful overall ideas in bob with beautiful hairstyling for girls and women you see in this video. I hope you like it. Stylish collection of hairstyling. Style. Hairstyling. The spiky hairstyle. Style. As in bob, fine hairstyle, fine and straight. Beautiful ideas of hair dye. Different shade of blonde, lightly blonde. Ash blonde, gold blonde. Shade of dye, burgundy color. Light brown, dark brown. Beautiful ideas of funky colors and very attractive collection of highlights in blonde color, in burgundy color, in funky colors. Of haircut in bob. Layered, deep layered. Step undercut. Notching haircut. Very stylish and latest. In bob haircut with beautiful hairstyling, short hair for girls and women you see in this video. I hope you like it. Like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look very stylish and you look too gorgeous. I hope you must try it. I request you, please do subscribe my channel, like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others. Support me, support my channel. My channel can't go without your support, your help, so I hope you do this. all over social media accounts. So, fan, thank you so much. You're watching my video. Take care and bye bye.